Okay, what if you could actually build a serious, high-income stream from scratch in just 1 month? I know, it sounds kind of crazy, but today we're going to break down a real, solid 30-day path to a massive financial goal. So let's just get right into it.
10,000. That's the number. That's the target. Whether we're talking dollars, pounds, euros, this is a figure that can absolutely change your life. And look, we're not talking about some one-off thing, like a lucky break. We're talking about this as a repeatable, consistent monthly goal, a target you can actually hit month after month.
So the huge question is, how? How do you actually do it? Well, that's what this is all about. We are going to walk you through the exact steps, week by week, to make this goal your new reality.
Okay, first things first, where do you even begin? Well, the quickest way to get to $10,000 a month is to offer a service that businesses are already scrambling to pay for, like right now. Just check out that time to first pay column. See, while things like digital products are amazing for long-term growth, freelancing gets money in your pocket in a matter of days or weeks, not months. For a 30-day plan like this one, speed is literally everything. All right, so if freelancing is our vehicle, what's the engine? What skill are we actually going to sell? Let's dive into the two most powerful options on the market today.
Short-form video editing and becoming an AI content specialist. Think about it. Every single company on the planet needs TikToks and Instagram Reels, and every single business is trying to figure out how to properly use AI to create better marketing materials. You become the human expert that guides these powerful tools. These aren't just skills, they're solutions to huge ongoing business problems.
And hey, the math here isn't as scary as you might think. You don't need 1,000 clients. At a pretty reasonable rate of, say, $25 to $50 per video, you only need to work with a few solid clients each month to get really, really close to that 10K goal. It is way more doable than it seems. So, we have the goal, and we have the skill. Now let's get into the heart of it, the actual day-by-day playbook to get you from zero to earning real money. And here it is, the entire journey in one simple view. We've got 3 focused phases. Phase 1, skill up. Phase 2, build a portfolio. And phase 3, outreach. That's it. 1 week to learn, 1 week to build your proof, and 2 weeks to go out and get clients. It's clean, simple, and so actionable. Let's kick things off with the foundation for everything else, right? The first 7 days. This is where you forge the most important asset you have, your skill.
Now, this is absolutely crucial. You have to choose one skill. Don't try to learn video editing and AI content at the same time. Just pick one. Dedicate 2 solid hours a day, watch tutorials, and then immediately practice what you just learned. By the end of this first week, you will be shocked at how much you've learned.
All right, on to phase 2. Now it's time to turn all that practice into actual proof. Because let's be honest, nobody's going to hire you for what you say you know. They're going to hire you for what you can show them you can do.
And the best part? You don't even need a client to build a portfolio. Just go find a random video on YouTube and edit it into a really sharp, catchy short-form video. Or find a trending topic and write a few awesome blog posts using AI tools. Your goal is to create 3 to 5 killer examples that prove you can deliver the goods.
Okay, this brings us to the final phase, and it's the most important one, outreach. For the last 2 weeks of this month, your job totally changes. You're not a student anymore, you're a business owner on the hunt for your first clients.
So you've got 2 choices. You could take the passive approach, throw a profile up on a freelance website and just wait. Or you can be proactive. You take control. You go out and directly contact businesses on places like LinkedIn and Twitter. That's where you find the really good clients and you find them fast.
And here is the secret weapon. Offer to do one project completely free. Now, this isn't about working for free forever. Not at all. It's a strategic move. It removes all the risk for the client. You get to prove just how valuable you are. And once they see your amazing work, pitching your monthly rate becomes the easiest conversation you'll ever have.
So, we've covered the what and the how. But before we wrap this up, let's talk about the mindset, the philosophy that makes this whole plan actually stick.
You have got to remember this. The internet is just littered with distractions, like paid surveys or clicking on ads. They promise easy money, but they are low-value tasks designed to do one thing: waste your time. They will never, ever get you to $10,000 a month. You have to stay focused.
And this really is the core idea of it all. Stop chasing little tricks and loopholes. Instead, invest your time, your energy into building a skill that is so valuable to other people that they are happy, even eager, to pay you well for it. That's the real path to financial freedom. So, after all this, after seeing the entire roadmap laid out, there's really only one question left. What skill are you going to build first? Because the plan is right here. The opportunity is very real, and your 30-day clock, well, it can start right now.